Guillaume, thank you very much for being on the show.
My pleasure.
So over the years, we've seen a lot of drastic changes in the manufacturing sector. How are the businesses coping with those changes?
Yes, indeed. I mean, the manufacturing sector has been heavily challenged in those last years, and this is linked to a very deep transformation of the economy, the famous economy of the experience. And that has triggered a very deep-rooted movement to totally transform the way we are doing things, the so-called industry renaissance, if you're familiar with it. So to meet that challenge, usually top industrials are trying to answer to three questions, okay? How they can educate their workforce of the future, okay? And this is key because knowledge and know-how will become the value of each company, the differentiating factor of companies. So industrial needs to find ways to capture it, store it, provide it to their teams in order to continuously improve the way they work. The second challenge that they have is that of reaching the proper level of operational excellence. And to do this, you need to find ways to be so much faster, so much more efficient in the way you are executing and producing things. Third topic to which they absolutely need to think about is how they are able to integrate a very dynamic ecosystems of partners that are contributing, extremely rapidly to the experience that they are trying to produce. So those are the three challenges, and we believe at Dassault Systèmes that the 3D experience platform is the answer to those three challenges. Why? Because it provides a virtual or 3D experience twin of the industrial operations in which everything can be tested, everything can be validated, everything can be optimized on the fly to make sure that the delivery of such a line is always at the proper level of quality, excellence, and efficiency.
Well, thank you very much, Guillaume, for sharing your time with us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.